Okay, Jura recently moved from using liquid milk system cleaner that was in 250 ml bottles where you put a small amount on the cap and then put it into the cleaning system. They moved to new little tablets, which are really small crystals of cleaner that need to be dissolved. I guess this leads to less packaging. I'm not quite sure why they did it. But some people think you're only supposed to use one of these little pills. What you're supposed to use is a dose. This button gives you a pre-measured dose. So what we're going to do is, imagine you've been using the milk system. First thing we're going to do is take the tube out and give it a quick little rinse with water. And then we're going to put that back on the machine. This is a Jura Z6. Then we're going to put the dose of cleaning crystals into the cleaning system container. Just hold it down like this, give it one push, and then you can see there's a dose of crystals. Now I'm going to put the rubber tube on, put it under the machine, and we're going to clean the system. You can see it wants to be clean because it knows it's been making some milk-based drinks. I'll push the button here, say clean the milk system, start. It wants you to put this fluid in because the machine doesn't know about the crystals. And we are going to push next. And you'll see the machine's going to put some water in there. These 90-gram milk system cleaner containers have enough crystals to clean the machine 30 times.